Good morning, everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. I received a package over the weekend. This is from Tufskinz.com. And if you recall, I did a video not too long ago using their product with the Toyota Tundra that I had. And these are a foam cup holder and door pocket, I guess I'd call it, insert. They are a really high quality product. I was very happy with them. So I decided to get in touch with them and go ahead and put them in the Tacoma and in Krista's new Jeep JL. Check them out. Again, it's Tufskinz.com. We're gonna unenvelope this product here. We'll let you see what's inside, and then we'll run through the install of them. So stay tuned. All right, let's go ahead and cut this open. I want to be careful I don't cut through anything I shouldn't. I don't think I will. I'm excited to see what these are. Like I said, this was a great product for the Tundra, so I'm expecting the same for both the Jeep and the new Tacoma. Again, we have the instructions here. It basically tells you how to prepare to put these in, how to clean up the surfaces that you're going to be sticking these to. They are adhesive backed. Basically, make sure that you get all of the oil off of the surfaces. If you're an Armor All user, make sure all of that is cleaned off so that you get good adhesion with these foam parts. So the first grouping that we have, or set, are for the Jeep JL. And you notice I ordered the orange border or insert that's on these because I thought that would go really well with her pumpkin Jeep. 4 of them for 4 cup holders. Should be pretty cool. Next is the kit for the Tacoma. In this kit I ordered the black inlay here, if you will, as well as of course the black foam inserts themselves. I thought, given the blacked out theme that I have going on the Tacoma, that these would look better. Rather than maybe getting something red or a different color inside, which they do offer many different colors, by the way, so you don't have to go just black. So we have a whole set of these for the Tacoma. Can't wait to go out and get these in. And then I also got something else. This is something I haven't tried before. This is the AC vent kit. And what this is, these actually go over the chrome surrounds that are on the heating and cooling outlets or vents that are in the truck. These are real carbon fiber, and I think they should look pretty cool in there. They do offer different colors in these as well. I thought the carbon fiber would look really slick inside the truck. Again, kind of carrying through with a blacked out theme. So that's what I've got. That's what we're going to do the install on. We're going to take these outside now, and we're going to put them in the Jeep and in the truck. And I'll show you guys how easy they are to install and what they look like. Stay tuned. All right, well, we're going to start with the Jeep. So we're out here in Krista's Jeep, and she's got the cleaning thing there, and also we have just a rag. So she's going to clean out the center console area to start with, and I just use a little bit of soapy water and again, just a rag. And that's because this Jeep is pretty much brand new, so we haven't cleaned it with anything, so there shouldn't be any oil or anything like that in it. Hopefully. So let's go ahead, and she can go ahead and show you how to do that. Just squirt a little in there, not too much, and then just wipe it out. All right. Next, and we have to figure out which ones go in, but we're going to open this up.
Well, these front ones, that fits like that. It's got a curve in the front.
Okay.
So that fits there. And then this one, you turn it around because the curve's on the, it fits there.
All right, well, let's go ahead and open them up. And
how do you open it up? Just
pull the plastic off the front first, carefully. Yeah, that will release them. Then they have a adhesive backing, so you'll pull that part off. So you can make sure they fit right before you stick them in.
So wait, do I want to open the other side first then?
It doesn't really matter. Just going to open them all anyway, so.
Where's the adhesive on these things? Is it?
On the back.
Is there,
So while we open them up here, which I really do like the packaging on these, it makes them easy, you know, things don't go flying all over, so it's kind of nice. Well, take the one out that you're going to use. They're not, you'll have to release the adhesive thing.
Ah, that's what I was wondering.
Right?
Yep. So there's the...
Yeah, so sit it down in there and make sure you get the right one. Alright, now do the same with the next one. Make sure you have the right one. And then we'll stick them in. And move to the back. The other two are in the back, actually.
So that goes like that.
Yep. Okay.
Am I going to peel and stick now?
Yep. And it's nice, they put this handy dandy tab here that you can grab to peel the adhesive off.
Right, because you're not supposed to touch the adhesive.
Right. Good? Got it where you want it?
I think so.
Alright, very nice.
That looks cool.
I know, I like it.
It looks straight.
Alright, let's do the next one. Alright, now we got to turn around and do the ones in the back. And of course, since this is a Jeep, it's going to be a little awkward to get back there, but we'll take a look and see how we do. Alright, Krista has climbed in the back as well as myself. And we're going to put these in. We test fitted first and they fit perfectly.
Yep.
Which is nice, so you can go ahead and
get started.
Get started.
And there you have it.
Alright, there you go. We have the Tufskinz foam cup holders here in the back
of the Jeep JL.
Of the Jeep JL. And up here in the front as well.
Too cool. I love them.
Looks pretty good. Matches the orange of the truck here.
I want to.
You guys can see.
I'd like to check them out and see what else they've got for the JL.
Well, we'll have to take a look.
I'm totally into it.
We're going to move on and do the Tacoma. Stay tuned. And I'm going to start with this one. This is a charging pad foam insert. Now, I believe if you put this over the charging pad permanently, the charging pad wouldn't work anymore if you have a phone that it works on to begin with. I, of course, don't. My iPhone does not charge on that charging pad. However, if I get something different in the future, I don't want to have this permanently affixed. So what I'm going to do is just set this in the slot and just leave it in there that way instead of gluing it down. So let's go ahead and open this one. This will be, of course, very simple because I'm just going to sit it in there. There's what it looks like out of the packaging. There's the adhesive cover for the back. But again, we're just going to sit it in here and it fits in there perfectly. One thing I really like about the products from Tufskinz is that they fit perfectly. Their design is very good. So we have that one. I'm not sure how well you guys can see that because it's a little dark outside and they're doing some construction around here, so I didn't want a lot of noise for you guys. The next one we're going to do is right up here in front of the shifter, and that's going to be this kind of double insert you see here. So let's go ahead and get that out.
Right in there.
Yeah. And I always like to test fit first, so we're going to do that. Make sure that it fits, so that I know what I'm doing, and can get it in there properly. And so far you can see that I indeed don't know what I'm doing because this doesn't go in there. This actually goes in the one behind me. So we're going to hold off on that one for a minute and grab another one. See there? That's live, real
time.
Real time. So this is what fits in front of the shifter. But we'll go ahead and sit one in there, just like that. And then we'll grab the second one. Set these aside for now. And we'll set it in there. And you guys can see, fits in there perfectly, which is absolutely wonderful. And if you're wondering what the gap is in between, that's what this cup holder part sits in.
Oh.
So it's not like they, forgot to extend it across or something. They accounted for this. Very cool.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and stick these in there. All right, there is the driver's side cup holder.
Numero uno.
The most important one, of course. Now let's grab the passenger side.
Passengers aren't important?
Well, depends on who's with you.
I see.
Go ahead and get that one stuck in there properly. Again, they fit so well, it's kind of hard to screw them up, you know? Just want to push everything down, make sure that it's stuck in there properly. And then we'll put our centerpiece I showed you before back in. And we're done. That takes care of in front of the drivers, or the shifter rather.
Very nice.
Now let's go ahead and hit the center here. We have a square one, you guys can see, right here, that goes in the center. We'll go ahead and test fit that. Make sure I have it in there properly. I believe so. Let's see. Actually, I had it backwards.
Did you really?
It goes like that.
How do you know?
Because it has a little curved end here, like the slot, and a little straight edge here. So make sure you test fit so you put it in the right way.
Yes. I didn't even catch that difference.
You see?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead and stick that puppy in there, just like so. And I like the black. It's understated, but does not stand out and hits you right when you get in. So I think that's pretty cool. Going along with the black theme of the truck.
Correct.
Now we'll go ahead and hit the round one right behind the square one we just did. Again, test fit, fits perfectly. Love it. Now it fits so well. I have to see if I can actually get it back out. There we go.
There you go.
All right, let's go ahead and take the adhesive off and stick this one in there. There we go. That takes care of the front two areas.
It does. That is lickety split, honey.
No kidding. Now I'm going to step in the back. Krista can stay up here if she wants. And we're going to do the one in the rear that I thought went in front, which would be this one. So let me hop in the back.
I'll stay in the front.
Oh. Well, hello everybody.
How y'all doing?
Hopefully we can get a little bit more light in here. Let's test fit this one. Fits in there perfectly. I'll tell you, they are spot on with their design on these. I love it. Go ahead and take the adhesive off. And then we're going to see if I can't get that in without sticking it in the wrong spot. I would hope not.
You got it.
There we go. How's it look? I think I got it in there the right way. I don't know that there's a wrong way.
I don't know. I don't think so.
All right, that takes care of the cup holder inserts. Now let's go back up, and this one I'm really interested in, and address those vent covers. Be right back.
Yes.
All right, I had to go back and clean off around that edge because I had thought before that these go over the chrome, but they don't. They did tell me that when I went to order, but now that I have it in my hand I can see. And I will say that since these are carbon fiber and have kind of that shiny carbonish, you know, carbon look rather in them, might not look too bad with the chrome there actually. So let's go ahead and stick these on and see what we get. I don't know how much room there is for forgiveness here, so I'm going to try to get them on properly before I permanently. No, not too bad. They actually fit in there really well.
There you go.
Wow.
Oh, that looks cool.
That looks pretty neat, doesn't it? Not what I expected, but man, I am pretty darn happy with
cool.
that. Wow. Look at that. That's awesome. Wow. What do you think?
I like it.
It's pretty neat, isn't it?
Yep.
All right, just want to make sure I push them in there good, you know. There, that's the first one. That's pretty sharp. Wow. I'm going to go ahead and
that looks awesome.
And stick the rest of them in there, and then we'll come back on and show you guys the finished product.
Hey guys, it's just me. I wanted to show you a better version, a better lighting for the new wraps around the vents. I think it looks very awesome. Check this out. Doesn't that look cool? It dresses them up really nice, I think. That looks awesome. So, just wanted to let you know. I might want to look at getting those myself.
Okay, guys and gals, we are finished with, in the truck and the Jeep, with the cup holder inserts as well as the AC vent surrounds. And I gotta say, I really do love the cup holder inserts, but by far my favorite are these surrounds. This is not what I was expecting, but I gotta tell you, these are sharp.
It looks really awesome.
They really dress up the inside of the truck. That carbon fiber with the chrome surround really looks good. That carbon fiber actually plays off of that chrome surround, and it's really sharp. I am surprised and very happy that I did indeed go with the carbon fiber, and that it does, actually fit, this way.
They look awesome.
Very cool. Anyway, that completes the install. As usual, the parts from Tufskinz are spot on, high quality, awesome fit.
Yep.
Love them. They work great. If you guys are looking for any kind of an insert or this chrome surround, amongst many other products that Tufskinz sells, check out their website, Tufskinz.com. I'll put a link at the end of the video here. Also, there is a 10% off and free shipping in the US discount code. It is YOTA, Y-O-T-A 10. So you can get 10% off with free shipping if you want to buy anything from Tufskinz. I highly recommend it.
Awesome.
As usual, appreciate you guys watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Click that subscribe button if you haven't before, and we'll see you next time.
On the web.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.